So we have pretty much arrived at the last day of the VIOFO discount sales, and all the dash cams which you're seeing on your screen right now, the A229 Plus Dual, A229 Plus Triple, the A229 Pro Dual, A229 Pro Triple, and the king of dash cameras, the VIOFO A329 Dual. All these cameras carry tremendous discounts, and more specifically the VIOFO A329 Dual Channel and the A229 Plus Triple, they carry the highest amount of discount. So if you have been following my previous videos, I have brought up detailed videos showing you how much discount you can get on all of these VIOFO dash cameras. So these are considered to be some of the top of the line cameras. And do note that all the cameras have dual starvis 2 sensors, basically means front and the rear get starvis 2, and even in the triple channel setup, the cabin camera also gets a starvis sensor. And currently you're gonna get a combo offer on the VIOFO A329, which will give you close to 10,000 rupee worth of discount, because you're going to get a free CPL filter and a hardware kit if you purchase the VIOFO A329 and pay the amount via UPI using the affiliate link given in the description below. So all these VIOFO dash cameras are right up for sale with superb discounts, and if you just want to take a look at the kind of discounts available, just take a look at this chart right now. So this is the discount on top of the camera, the main unit, and along with it you are also gonna get some free accessories as well once you complete the purchase. So this means lots of savings, lots of money saved for yourself. So go ahead and grab your favorite VIOFO dash cameras right now, because this is the last day and probably the last 24 hours. And after this, all the prices will be back to normal. So this is probably the last and the only opportunity for you to grab all of these VIOFO dash cameras with some mind-boggling discounts right there. Now personally, I would recommend the VIOFO A329 Dual Channel, because this carries the best of the features among all these cameras and also carries the best of the discounts, and also coming in at a price of about 45 to 46,000 rupees with the accessories. You're gonna get this at 36,000 rupees if you pay via UPI using the link given in the description below. So do note that I've provided the links to all these particular dash cams in the description. So just go ahead, click down on the description, click on your favorite dash camera, add it to the cart and complete the payment via UPI to get the highest amount of discount. Along with getting free accessories, once you have completed the purchase, you will be contacted by VIOFO via WhatsApp and you can select the accessories which you want to get along with these cameras. So do not waste this amazing and the last opportunity to grab some of the best dash cameras that are available in the world. So VIOFO dash cameras are considered to be the finest, the most premium and the most pioneering dash cams that are available out there. Go ahead and grab them right now. The purchase links are given in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.